So first thing that you need to do is you need to open up the snipping tool on your Windows computer. So you're going to type in snip, and there it is, snipping tool. You're going to select it. Afterwards, you're going to open up a new tab, and you're going to type in Canva color palette. Then you select the first link where it says color palette generator by Canva. And then here we have different options for different palettes here. Then what you need to do is you need to take a screenshot of a specific palette. So you're going to select new. I'll select this one. Then select save. Once done, you're going to go back to your blank page here or your untitled design in Canva, and you're going to look for that image that you just saved. So I'm simply going to drag it and drop it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in a graphic just to show you how the colors change depending on the color palette. So you're going to go to elements here on the left side, and then I'm going to go to see all over here. Let me choose this one here. I'll just drag it into the canvas. I'll try to expand it a bit and then see how the colors change depending on my palette. So what you do now is you're going to select the palette by clicking on it. Then you're going to right click and select apply colors to page. Oh, would you look at that? Now there's like different shades of green. That's pretty cool. So let's do that again. Right click, then select apply colors to page, and the colors change again. Then right click, apply colors to page again, and the green changes once more. Okay, so let's try to add in the blue palette. Delete this one. You're going to select it, then select delete. So I have the blue palette here. I'm just going to drag it into the canvas. You're simply going to right click, then select apply colors to page. And as you can see there, it has applied the blue colors. Do that again. Apply colors to page, right click, apply colors to page, then right click, apply colors to page. So that's pretty cool. Well, let's try a different graphic. I'll delete this one and then maybe add in the simple one. I'll add in the simple one. I'm going to right click, select apply colors to page. And as you can see there, the colors change. That's pretty cool.